Hello, Artsy Fartsy Creatives. I wanted to share with you, I got some happy mail, and I'm so excited and so grateful and thankful. This is the second time I've received some very generous gifts. The first time, my very close friend decided that it would be best that I kept that to myself, and I did. But it was such a very generous gift. She knows who she is. This one comes from Katie, and she says, "Dear Angela, I hope you can put these supplies to good use, spreading more beauty and joy in the world." And she included this lovely journal. This is the first professionally bound journal that I've received. This is a soft, I don't know if you can see the camera, this is like a soft velour. And from the Michael Roger Press Company in New Jersey, USA. And it's a very large journal. This is the first one I have since the fire, so this just warms my heart to have this, and I'm looking forward to filling it. Let me share with you a few other things. The included were some, those things that you you just need. These are Prismacolors, and I have not had an opportunity to play with Prismacolor pencils before, so this is just a wonderful gift. I'm going to be playing with those as well. Included were some books here. She included some books as well, the art book, and I'm thrilled to have these references, all these different artists. I lost all that stuff, of course, and you forget what you have till it's gone. This is entirely on Picasso. This, I flipped through, this is also on Picasso. But these were things that she's provided as a personal gift that she had in her collection that she rarely referenced anymore, and she thought that I would appreciate them, and she was dead spot on for that, for sure. So this is just so generous of her. I was also excited about because I have been recently looking at the Japanese art and such, because I've been really focusing on watercolor, and I just find it fascinating and how far back the history goes for that. So I wanted to share that with you guys. This, I think I showed you, this was something that she made with her paints, because Katie is the creative force behind Ruby Mountain Paint Company Handmade Watercolor, and she provided this new Mayan palette card that has the 4 colors, red, yellow, green, and blue, which I'll swatch for you. And also, oh yes, she included this ceramic. I'm sorry, Kate. I think it's just, you know, to brush on. But that's what I'm going to use it for. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to use it for that, and I love it. It's perfect. So let me just show you what we have here. Oops. So let me show you. We'll swatch them this way. Forgive me for doing them backwards, but I'm right-handed. So, they're pretty pigmented. What's there already, I figured, was pretty strong. And, okay. We'll do the green. These are all natural. That's very rich. Some nice bright yellow. So one of the things that I like so much about Ruby Mountain Paint Company is that she repurposes her paint palettes and her internet presence is quite wide, and I'll include all of the links down below. And I love these fun little tins and other containers. This is what she sent me. So she repurposes items, make perfect little travel tins. Look at this. How clever. Magnetic strip on the bottom. These are little jewelry gem tray things. I can't remember what they're called. But she also has bottle caps and half pans, but take a look at her website. Everything's linked below. I haven't pre-moistened these. Wanted to see how quickly. That's great. She uses all natural ingredients, gum arabic, honey, and her pigments are all natural and sourced from all over the world. So, here's the swatch. Again, I'll link her internet presence down in the description below, and give her a look. She has so many beautiful colors. I think she just released a new palette, and give her a look. Kate, thank you so much. This gift is such a blessing to me. You are very generous. I'm looking forward to working with these beautiful colors. I cannot tell you again how much this meant to me. I'm at a loss for words, and before I get emotional, I'm gonna sign off and bid you all love, light, color, and art on.